Jack it up.
We are live. Join us up. I don't really know. So, welcome everyone, and we're live. I'm live. We are live. Let's see. This was the Bitcoin setup 2 on a 15 minutes time frame. Sorry, good.
Jack it up.
This was the good setup I gave on a 15 minutes time frame, but of course, I probably think some people did not get it, some people got it. My take profit is at 3180 actually. That's where my final take profit is. Meanwhile, for Bitcoin, for Bitcoin, I just dropped the setup just now and said I'm buying Bitcoin right now. My stop loss is at this liquidity here, hoping for it to keep respecting this demand zone here. Keep demanding. Okay, it's supply zone or demand, anyone you want to call it. So I've already entered a buy here, and I already entered also on 102,200, and I'm still entering here at 102,000. My stop loss still remain here, 30 pips, and from here it will now definitely be is 104, 101, 400. So it will now be stop loss of 60 pips actually. So let's see how it goes. I'm live and we are now trading. Let's welcome everyone. Yeah, so here we are. Only one person viewing. It's not bad. We'll keep doing it. We'll keep pushing, keep pushing. So I'm buying Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is actually looking at me right now on the chat. Let's see what I can do. Okay, just to make it a clearer picture. So that's it. What have I done? All right, so that's Bitcoin. Let's see what Bitcoin has to offer. Oh, well, we're here. Good afternoon from Uganda. Good afternoon, bro. It's morning here, so I'm gonna say good morning because my time here is 10:18. So good morning from here, and welcome to my life. Yeah, I think I've been seeing you in my life, so thanks for constant supporting and joining my life. Thanks. Aye, Barry Lemrick. No worry. I observe everybody, I see everything, so I have gifts for people that are constantly supporting till when we're gonna grow finally. Okay, so it's not there. So that's that for Bitcoin. If Bitcoin keeps dancing, that's fine. Meanwhile, let's see gold. Boom. Gold is almost there. Almost there already. My full take profits. It might actually get here. That's why I drew this trend line here. This is actually a zone. It's might want to react and sell. This is 73. If you want to sell there, but I'm not gonna take that. Instead, I'll target this zone here and then target this as my stop loss. That's around, that should show this fair value gap correlating with a resistance. So I might want to target this 82, 83, or even come back up to 87, 86 for a sell. But for now, I'm just gonna look. It didn't get into my main buy zone, but I mentioned it's gonna respect the support and the support. So most of my Telegram community, they took the buy here at 7 and also 42 and have rolled it up onto 70. Actually, it reached 70. So as it at 770, that's approximately 300 and whoa, yes, 330 pips actually in profit just today. So every day somebody gets, I must get, it's not a must, but I do get 100 minimum pips every single day from my setup. So it has been there, it has been the target, it has been the joy. Okay, so that has been the motivation. Let's see, Bitcoin is not looking good, but what do I know? As it keeps coming down, I keep making my buy entries. But there's what they call martingale layers. Every 10 pips, 20 pips, 30 pips, take a buy, take an entry. I don't bother. I do max entry on all my trades is max 3 or highest that I've done. I split one lot size into 5 and just enter 0.2, 0.2, 0.2. That's what I do. Highest I do. I haven't done more than 5 entries in any setup. Proper risk management, bros. When you master proper risk management, you don't have problem with the markets. Even if you get stopped out twice, thrice, 5, 7, 10s, like anyone you want to call it, you don't get bothered. Nice man, Hurricane. What's your take on Xauusd? Are you just coming or are you just waking up? What's my take on Xauusd? I've already given my take on Xauusd. That's XAUSD, right? I've already given my take on gold. So I don't have any take to give again. That's the only take I can give. It has already done the target I'm looking at. I just said it. Now, sometimes you just join, you just try to rewind and hear what I've said earlier. I just said it's gonna reach here around 31.73. That's good, and it will just scalp. That's for scalpers. Let me take into my chart now, and then I'm gonna set a sell limit on 73. That's for scalpers actually, because it will be a scalping signal. It's gonna reach 73 and it will scalp 30-40 pips, or maybe highest it will even scalp back into 53. That's possible, 100 or 200 pips from 73. If it doesn't, there is still FVG here. You can see fair value gap correlating with this resistance, so, and which is on 81, 82. So I'm going to set another sell limit again. I'm going to set another sell limit on 82, which means I now have two sell limits, right? 82. These are just scalping points. I just want to point out 82. Then the next and final where I want to sell on my own is 87, 86, 87. So I'll still set another sell limit on 86, and then I'll still set another one on 87. That's last. So these are the points I think we will reach and react. First here, second here, and then third here. 3 places to take your possible sells and maybe target good coming back to the zone here that it respected 31.50. It's like approximately 200 pips. So let's just see. Meanwhile, my setup is still waiting for who will take profit. This was my bias, was buy, good is gonna fly, and it did as I said. I gave 2 points. I said gold is gonna react on this support 31.42, 31.37, and exactly it came, reacted. I bought there, it reacted at 37, we bought there, and right now we are making 300 plus pips from that. This was my main zone, which it did not reach. It just stopped here and reversed back. So it is what it is. So let's keep watching. That's good. Let's go back to Bitcoin because we are trading Bitcoin. So this is Bitcoin. This is my buy entry here. Sell buy zone enters here, touch here. I have bought already. So we'll be watching Bitcoin right now to see if it's gonna push back up to take out this liquidity as our full take profits. How much are we risking on this trade? This trade we are risking 32 pips to make 260 pips from Bitcoin. So that's just it. So right now I'm gonna share this on Twitter. Where is my X? Hey. Via YouTube. Fred. rally is fading. So that's just it. Gold here, Bitcoin here. Let's keep watching.
chase it down, try to keep me down, but I'll put the flame out. You can't get to me. Throw your sticks and your stones, go break all of my bones. You won't ache my soul. You can't get to me. And there is no barricade that I can tear away. Shoot me down to fire away, away. But I'm a heavyweight. I'm a heavyweight. I'm a heavyweight. Push me down to the ground. What goes around comes around. You won't put the flame out. You can't get to me. Say what you wanna say. Go take it all away. But I'm here to stay. No, you can't get to me. And there is no barricade that I can tear away. Shoot me down, go fire away, away. But I'm a heavyweight. I'm a heavyweight. I'm a heavyweight. I'm a heavyweight.
Ooh, what am I seeing? The Bitcoin is trying to kill us today. So Bitcoin wants to give me my first stop loss of the week or of the month. I don't even know when last I hit stop loss. But only break even. I've been hitting break even. 100 pips break even, 100 pips break even, 200 pips break even. So I haven't recorded any stop loss this month. So I think, looking at things, Bitcoin wants to try that. But let's keep looking at that. BTCUSD. Let's see what you have to offer. BTC so naughty today, bro. That's what I'm saying. Good morning. Thank you. What are the entry points on gold? I think you should try to use who is Jawahar Ahmed. Just rewind back. I think I just said that like 20 minutes ago or 30 minutes. No, 20 to 10 minutes, 15 minutes ago. That is when I gave all the entries for Bitcoin. Sorry, for gold scalping. So I think you should just try and rewind back and hear what I said to help, instead of me repeating myself again. That's better. Meanwhile, Bitcoin is trying to give us the first blow of the day. Okay, no problem. It is what it is. So gold has already, the first sell I gave was this, and I took sell here. I said 72. 72, 73. So let's give that to the channel. Scalping on live, 30 pips, 30 plus pips. Scalping on live. That was the first entry I give. I said 30, 32, 72, 72 and 73. It didn't reach though, but I still took my entry. Good scalping on live. So that's first scalping signal made. Then we wait for the next entry now. Then wait for the next one. Let me look at Bitcoin. Okay, it's there. It has gotten there. And of course, since it has broken, I had to, so since it has taken out this and it's gonna take us out, then definitely after taking us out, definitely it's gonna push more down. If it eventually take us out, taking out this liquidity is gonna push all the way down to here to take out also this liquidity here. That's what good Bitcoin is gonna do. So let me give you the trend line. So once we are taken out here, I expect Bitcoin to come all the way back down here to still take out that liquidity. So let's just keep watching. So we're still watching. My stop loss is still there. Stop loss is 101,400 actually. That's my stop loss. Where did I enter? Yes, I did say we should enter at 101,200. That's massive loss. 101,200 to 101,400. That's 80 pips loss. 101,400. Modify. 101,400. We are just hanging on a pendulum. Let's update. Okay, think I love that push I'm seeing, but I'm still skeptical watching Bitcoin. almost taking us out and then going back to 20 pips again. That's it. Let's see the magic it has. It definitely closes like this in this 1 hour candlestick. It closes bearish, and there's high tendency it's gonna take us out. Or if it keeps pushing like this in the next 9 minutes, if this candle keeps pushing the next 9 minutes, going above this and closing above there, then we have hope that our trade it's gonna keep running. So Bitcoin just wanted to give us a mere here, but that's how the market does. Just keep looking. Well, I love that push. Keep pushing, keep pushing, keep pushing, keep pushing. Whoa. One of the fastest push I've seen ever. Keep pushing, bro. Keep going.
Watch videos ad-free, offline, and in the background. Try YouTube Premium on us.
Please, bro, don't come back. Please, don't come back. Hey. Price 10766. Let's go and start screaming all those shit. Bitcoin. Don't be naughty, bro.
Enjoy uninterrupted videos with YouTube Premium and get into what you're into, whether it's your favorite hobby or newest obsession. Watch videos ad-free, offline, and with background play. Try YouTube Premium on us.
What do you have to say, guys? What do we have to say? Me are looking at Bitcoin. What are your thoughts? Because Bitcoin is actually playing with our minds right now, but I'm the most calmest person and patient person ever. I trust my setups. I don't fear once I get a setup. I just make my entry, stick to the target of first partial as 100 pips, and then setting my break even and waiting for the rest to ride. And then once I make entry, I put my stop loss and forget about it. All this looking at the charts actually is good to observe any market changes, but most especially looking at the charts sometimes will make you feel less confident. You won't believe yourself. You think, come on, thing is trying to go down, this Bitcoin is trying to go down, all those things, you start losing trust. And before you know it, once you lose trust, you definitely close early. Then that's when you say, they were looking at me. Immediately I close, the market start moving. So nobody was looking at you. It was just your impatience. Okay, so nothing else. So it's just sometimes I give myself a rule of taking partial 100 pips or hitting stop loss. That's just the rule. So if I don't see 50 to 100 pips minimum for partial, I'll just keep looking at the trade like that, and that's how it is. So this is a 1 hour time frame candlestick. So it will take time for you to take hours for you to see the main movement. Well, I think I've stayed in this live for up to an hour. Let's see how many hours I've been here. Okay. 49 minutes. Are you serious? Just been here for 49 minutes. Wow. Thought I've even spent up to an hour. Well, the rule is just 1 hour every day, doing live for an hour exactly. And then you see the setup. I talk, we gist, we chat, we reply, answer questions, I vibe to the song on background. Everything is done within that 1 hour. So once that 1 hour is elapsed, the setup is already there. You must have seen my direction, you must have seen my entry, I must have given my stop level, entry points, and then it's left for the market to ride and do what it wants to do for the whole day. Then that's when I'll now use my Telegram channel to keep updating. Yeah, market is 100 pips. Yeah, we are moving. Market 200 pips. Yeah, partial staking. That's the advantage of Telegram channel. After YouTube live, we continue there. So it's left for you to use the link in my bio and join the Telegram channel, so you don't miss any instruction I give, because instruction I give in there every time. Okay, every single time. So that's just it. And this is IC market. Already 1 hour has already closed, but this chart in particular is 5 minutes late to the candlestick's closing. It's 5 minutes late, unlike others. So let's keep seeing. It has closed bearish. Then I'm expecting more fall. Well, not to be scared, nothing. I'm not shook, I'm not moved, I'm nothing but waiting for either a partial to be taken for this setup or I get stopped out and then I definitely know it's gonna come back all the way down to sweep that liquidity under. But I'm not gonna take any trade because I say, okay, because gold swept me and took me out of that of this setup, then I feel like, okay, it's gonna sell, then I'll now chase it and say, sell now. No, I don't do that. And it has taken me out. Just allow the market to do what it wants to do, and then come back later and strategize, check what really happened, what all those things, and that's how you learn. But chasing the market, revenging, you want to do revenge trading because you got stopped out, that's when you get killed the more. So I surely know this market will sell more, but I don't care. Let it hit my stop loss and we call it a day. So the whole of this 1 hour was just to look at how Bitcoin is dancing with our emotion for this life. That doesn't still mean anything. Keep looking at it. I'm gonna zoom this to focus on only this setup because others might join and think I'm trading another thing. This is the setup we are on. So let's keep looking at it.
Watch videos ad-free, offline, and in the background. Try YouTube Premium on us.
it's murder, go crazy, berserker, I killed it, it's murder, go crazy, berserker, I killed it, it's murder, go crazy, berserker, I killed it, it's murder, go crazy, berserker, I killed it. I killed it, it's murder. I killed it, it's murder, go crazy, berserker. I killed it, it's murder, go crazy, berserker. I killed it, it's murder, go crazy, berserker. I killed it, it's murder, go crazy, berserker.
Watch videos ad-free, offline and in the background. Try YouTube Premium on us.
Well, since Bitcoin is still here, it's almost past my time for going live. Let's check gold. Almost my full take profits. And I did say, as it takes here, these are points. This is the first point, 73 for a sell. Yes, I mentioned it. Let's put it on 73, which I said is only for scalping. And then good, the next one will be 82, then the next one 86, 87. So that's just it. Where is the coordinates? Yep, 73 only. Just scalping. It's nothing to. You can just reach 20 pips. You scalp that. In 373, he reached 20 pips, 75 as your stop loss, or 30 pips, 76 as your stop loss. Fine. That's enough. Don't need to reach more than that. Since today the setup I had for Bitcoin doesn't want to play, then fine, keeps dancing here, and after it will finish dancing, then it will now take us out. Fine. We're still looking at gold 73 sell, 82 sell, and then 86, 87 sell. These are the places you can point out sell. My main sell actually is 86, 86, 85, 86, 80, 87, 86, 85. Yeah, those are the main zone. So actually, before I end this live, this will be my next setup for gold. This is 15 minutes. Okay, this is the zone I'm eyeing. Outside here, this is the fair value gap here, but eyeing this, yeah, exactly this somewhere, because there was a resistance there also. A good respected, you can see this zone. So this will be my sell zone. Sell zone. That's so good actually. Let's see. New zone. For good. So that's gonna be my sell zone around 87 point something. Okay, let's just say 85, 86. Okay, around 86. That's gonna be my sell zone. Let me put a rectangle and horizontal line exactly beneath there. So as we can see, pointing towards this is 3186.686. That's gonna be my sell zone after it has taken full take profit on this. Already I've given scalping zones, 73 for scalping, 82 for scalping, then main sell zone is 87. Okay, so that's just that, nothing else. And as it stands, I will be ending this live right here. Okay, that will be enough for today. Okay, nothing to say again, because Bitcoin is still playing around. I know it's gonna keep playing like that and making you fear the more that it's gonna hit stop loss, and it might not, or it will still, but I don't care. So this is my sell zone for gold: 87, 86, 88. Then this will be your stop loss here. Okay, this will be your stop loss. Target this as your stop loss, except gold wants to take out that. So target that as your stop loss. What was that number? 93. 93, that's your stop loss. No, 92. Wait on 92. Yeah, put it on 92 as your stop loss, so you can scalp from 74, 73, you scalp, 82, you scalp, then main sell zone. That's just it. It's as simple as that. There's nothing else there. Okay, so I'm gonna take a snapshot here. Bam. All right, so thanks for joining my live today. And where's Bitcoin? Let's check Bitcoin. Bitcoin is still here, trying to dance with our emotion. I don't care. Okay, I don't bloody care. So I'm still gonna take download image and have it do what it wants to do. So Bitcoin here, and gold sell zone at 86, 87, 88. Stop loss highest is 92. So that's all. I'm gonna be ending this live right now. Thanks for joining. It's already 1 hour. Okay, so thanks for joining. I have other things to do.
offline and in the background. Try YouTube